The directions say write the missing numerators to make the fractions equivalent. The word equivalent means equal. So we need to figure out a way to make these fractions equal to one another. And we need to start doing that by looking at the denominators. If we look at 6, 48, and 18, we see that they are all multiples of 6. So since they're all multiples of 6, we need to figure out how do we go from 6 to 48. 6 times what equals 48. Once we find that missing number, we can multiply the numerator, or the top number, by that same digit. So I know that 6 times 8 equals 48. Therefore, I'm going to multiply 5 times 8 to get my missing numerator. Now that that one is done, I can look at the fraction all the way on the right. So I'm going to ignore that one now. 6 times what gives me 18. Once I figure out what 6 times what gives me 18, I can take this same digit and multiply it by 5 in order to get my new numerator. Whatever I do on the bottom, I need to do at the top, and that is going to get me my new fraction and therefore make them equivalent.